Welcome to My Skills, My Future. In this live session, we are going to discuss some of the previous questions of RRB Group D, which was held on 18th August 2022, Shift 1. Already we discussed some questions in the same paper. In this session, we are going to discuss some more questions in the same paper. Okay, right. See, very soon we are planning to start a free online batches for banking placements, RRB and SSC. If you want to join our free online classes, just scan this QR code and register. Okay, very soon we will start free online classes. So just scan this QR code, register. Okay, right. See the question. This question based on a line graph question. Study the following line graph carefully and answer the given question. So the question is based on number of cycles sold by a company from 2012 to 2017. Okay, from 12 to 17. Right. What is the question? The number of bicycles sold in 2013, okay, is approximately what percent of the number of cycles sold in 2017? Okay, what is the question? The number of bicycles sold in 2013. So see that in 2013 the number of cycles were sold, 45 bicycles were sold in 2013. Is approximately what percent of number of bicycles sold in 2017? So what percent, x percent, okay, so we don't know that percent, x percent of 2017. So what is the 2017 sold? 90. Okay, so this is the question. We need to find the x value. Okay, what is the question? The number of bicycles sold in 2013 is 45. Okay, is approximately what percent the number of bicycles sold in 2017? In 2017, 90 bicycles were sold. So x is equal to 45 into 100 by 90. Okay, so 0 cancel, 9 ones 9 5s. So x is equal to nothing but 50%. Exactly 50%. Okay, right. Shall we move to the next question? Yes. Right. See the question. It is a somewhat easy question, right? The value of 0.0486 divided by 0.002. So what is the value? Okay, if you see one 13.8, option 2 24.3, option 3 21.5, option 4 18.7. So without doing any calculation, just we can click the correct option for this question. So if you see that in the denominator we have 0.002. Okay, right. So in the means the numerator value gets half. Okay, right. So what is the half of this number? So 2, 4, 3. So the number, whatever the answer, the number ends with 3. So if you see the option here, option 2 is ending with 3. Yes, this option is correct. Okay, or we can do by manually see. So 0.0486 divided by 0.002. Okay, right. So see that in the denominator we have 3 digits after decimal point. Just remove the decimal point. Okay, I am writing 2. Okay, right. Here also shift this decimal point after 3. Why? Because we are shifting this decimal point after 3 digits. Here also shift this decimal point after 3. Okay, so what 4 48.6 will be. Why? Because one decimal point, one after one digit, after two digits, after three digits. Okay, 48.6. So two ones, two twos, two fours, two threes. So 24.3. Okay, right. If you have the value of 2 in the denominator, just of the value. Okay, so see the options and click the correct answer. Okay, right. Next question. Right. So see the question. Anita is standing facing the north direction. Okay, the question is based on direction sense. Okay, then she turns 135 degrees. Okay, in anti-clockwise. Okay, after that she turns 90 degrees clockwise. In which direction is she is facing now? Okay, first of all, just draw the directions. Okay, so east, west, north, south. Okay, see here, Anita is standing facing the north direction. Okay, she is facing towards north direction. Then she turns 135 degrees anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise we know. So here she moves anti-clockwise and with 135 degrees. So if we come here, she moves 90 degrees. So 135 minus 90, we get 45 degrees. Okay, so we get 45. Here to here we have 90 degrees. Why? Because right angle, and here to here she moves 45 degrees, exactly between middle. Okay, so from here to here we have 135. Why? Because here to here 90 and here to here 45. So we have 135 degrees. Then after that she turns 90 degrees clockwise. From here to here she turns 90 degrees clockwise, means in this direction. So in the direction she moved 90 degrees means, so exactly the line will cut here. Okay, so this is the line 90 degrees. Here to here we have 90 degrees. Okay, right. So what is the question? In which direction is she facing? So damn surely we are saying that this is the direction northwest direction. Okay, so see option 3 is correct. Northwest, option 3 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. See the question, select the option that is related to the fifth letter. Cluster in the same way as the second letter. Cluster is related to the first letter. So and the fourth letter cluster is related to the third. Okay, right. If you see that the first letter is being, so B, E, I, N is written as Y, V, or M, T, and pride P, R, I, D, E is written as K, I, R, W, V. Okay, right. See, if you observe that this is the opposite alphabets. Okay, so he see it A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. See that B, boy. So B, Y are opposites, E, V are opposites, I are opposite, M, N are opposite, Z, T. So we have some quotes: boy, evening, Indian Railway, MN, GT Road. Okay, so PK, Pawan Kalyan, IR, Indian Railway, IR Indian Railway, don't worry, evening. Okay, so these are the of opposite alphabets. We have some codes. Okay, right. In so how can we written clean? Okay, so how can we written clean? CLEAN. So what is the opposite alphabet of C? X. X. What is the alphabet opposite alphabet of L? O. E V. A to Z. M N. So X O V Z M. X O V Z M. So option 3 is correct. X O V Z M. So shall we move to the next question? Yes. Right. See the question. A group of ninth students conducted a survey for the number of family members in a household on 40 households, okay, in a locality, which resulted in the given frequency table. So what is the mode? Okay, so we have 3 types of central values: arithmetic mean, median, mode. So we can see at least one question on the base of these central values. Here the question is based on mode, okay, modal value, right. See, here the data is given, class intervals and frequency is given, okay. So out of 40 households, so here we get total 40, so 18 plus 12, 30 plus 6, 36 plus 4, 40. So total 40 families data is there. So we need to find modal value. Okay, so just we have a formula for to find mode for continuous series data. If the data is discrete series, so which frequency has highest? Just quite opposite x value itself mode. Here we have class intervals. For this we have formula, that is mode. Mode is equal to a lower limit plus highest frequency of model class minus preceding frequency divided by 2 into highest frequency minus preceding frequency minus succeeding frequency into width of the class interval. So this is a general formula to find a mode of class intervals. Okay, so mode of the frequency data which consisting of class intervals. So lower limit, okay, model frequency, highest frequency minus preceding frequency, 2 into highest frequency minus preceding frequency into minus succeeding frequency into height. Okay, right. So what is the lower limit? So these are the lower limits, these are the upper limits. So here we can take, so which frequency has highest? Here 12 is highest, just take 6 is nothing but lower limit of the class interval. Okay, right. Here I am taking frequency here. Why? Because 12 is the highest, the F1 is highest frequency. So F0 is preceding frequency, F2 is succeeding frequency. Okay, right. See, so lower width of the class interval is nothing but width, 2 minus 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 4, 2. So width of the class interval is nothing but 2. So lower limit is 6 plus highest frequency is 12, highest frequency is 12 minus preceding frequency of the model class is 12. What is the preceding? 8. Okay, so by 2 into 12 we get 24 minus preceding frequency 8 minus succeeding frequency is here 6. So this is the succeeding frequency 6 into width of the class interval is 2. Okay, right. So 6 plus 12 minus 8, 4 divided by 24 minus 24 minus 8 minus 6 we get minus 14. So nothing but 10. So into 2. So we get 6 plus 0.4 into 2, nothing but 6 plus 0.8, nothing but 6.8 is the model value of this data. Okay, so option 2 itself correct. Okay, right. Next question. Okay, see the question. This question is based on clocks. So direct question is given. How many times are the hour and the minute hand of a clock at a right angle in a period of 2 days? So basic question of the clocks is there. There are three types of questions. One is how many times they will coincide. Number 2 is how many times in a day they are in opposite direction, and the number 3 is how many times they are at a right angle in a day. If you see that the question is based on how many times the hour and the minute hand of a clock at right angle in a period of 2 days. So right angle. So in every hour they have 2 right angles between two hands. Okay, so in every hour 2 right angles is there, 2 right angles. So in 12 hours, okay, 22 right angles is there. In 24 hours 44 times is there. So here they are asking 2 days. So 24 hours means 1 day. Okay, 48 hours means 2 days, nothing but 88 times they are right angle. Okay, so see the question, how many times are the hour and the minute hand of a clock at right angle? So for 1 day we have 44, for 2 days we have 88. Option 1 itself correct. Okay, right. Next question. So a series is given, we need to find which number will come in the place of question mark. So options 95, 120, 108, 105, 82. So what is the series is given? 5, 13, 23, 49. So we need to find the number in the place of question mark. Okay, 193. So these are the numbers given in the number series. Okay, so what will come in the place of question mark? Okay, right. See, if you see that, first of all we need to check the distance between two numbers. If you see that here to here the distance is 8, here to here the distance is 10, here to here the distance is somewhat more. So there is some other logic is there in the series. So if you see that 5 into 2 plus 3 we get 13. 5 2 is 10 plus 3 we get 13. So in next number 13 into 2 minus 3. So 13 2 is 26 minus 3 we get 23. So 23 into 2 we get 46 plus 3 we get 49. So I hope you find the logic. So into 2 plus 3 into 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 3 into 2 minus 3. Okay, so 49 into 2 minus 3. So 49 means approximate near to 50. So 50, 50, 100, just minus 2. So 49 into 2 we get 98. So 98 minus 3, 95. So 95. So here the number is 95. So next 95 into 2 plus 3. So 95 into 2 means 190 plus 3 means 193. Okay, yes, 95 is the correct answer. See the option 1 itself correct, 95. Okay, so into 2 plus 3 into 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 3 into 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 3. Okay, right. So shall we move to the next question? Right. If the difference between two numbers is 52, if the difference between two numbers is 52 and they are in the ratio 7:3. Sorry, they are in the ratio 7:3. Find the greater of the two numbers. Okay, simply write 7:3 in the form of 7x is to 3x. Here they given the difference. So 7x minus 3x is equal to, they given the difference. So 7x minus 3x is 4x. 4x is equal to 52. X is equal to nothing but 13. X is equal to 13. So we need to find the greater of two numbers. Exactly we know 7x is the greater. So 7 into 13. So 7 into 13 nothing but 91. So option 4 is correct. Okay. So 13 signs 91. Next question. So see the question. So if minus means if plus means minus, minus means divided, divided means multiplication, multiplication means plus. So what will come in the place of question mark in the following equation? So this is the given equation, 12 divided by 6 plus 28 minus 7 into 14 they given. Okay, so our question is we need to change these symbols. So plus means minus. So in the place of plus simply write minus. Okay, next minus means divided. So here write just divided. Next divided means multiplication. Here we write divided means multiplication. Multiplication means addition. Okay, so 12 into 6 plus minus 28 divided by 7 plus 14. Okay, so we know the Bodmer's rule. So first of all do 28 by 7, we get 4. So minus 4 plus 14. So 12 into 6. So write 12 6 72. So minus 4 plus 14 we get plus 10. So nothing but 82. Okay, so right. So see the option 3 is correct. Right. Next question. So select the set in which the numbers are related in the same way as or the numbers of the following sets. Here we have two sets. So select the option which option will relate the sets having a logic. Okay. So see that here one set having 1 comma 8 comma 3, another set having 2 comma 21 comma 5. So which of the following option will satisfy the same logic? Okay, right. See here. So I am directly saying, so 3 square minus 1 square. So 3 square is 9. So 3 square is 9. 1 square is 1. So 9 minus 1. So 9 minus 1 we get 8. So they are writing 8 in middle. See the logic here. 5 square 25. 5 square 25. Here see that 2 square 4. So minus. So 21. So 3 square. See that 3 square minus 1 square we get 8. Next 5 square 25 minus 2 square 4. 25 minus 4 21. So which option will satisfy same logic? If you see that this is 3 square 9 minus 4 we get 5. So this is wrong. Here we see that 11 square 121 minus 5 square 25 we get less than 100. Okay, right. If you see that here 10 square 100 and 7 square 49 we get less than 100. Okay, right. If you see that here 7 square 49, 4 square 16. So 7 square minus 4 square we get 33. So we get 33. Yes, this option 4 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. Right. Okay, these are the some questions which are asked in RRB Group D, which was held on 18th August 2022. So see here, very soon we are starting a free online batch for aptitude and reasoning as well as programming. So it is very useful for those who are preparing for banking placements or so. If you want to join our free online batches, just scan this QR code for registration. Okay, thank you for watching.